Hi Year 5, it's the start of term 4. I hope you've had a great half-term week and are refreshed and ready to do some work again. So our WALT this morning on Tuesday is know percentage equivalents of a half, a quarter, a fifth, 2/5 and 4/5, and fractions with a denominator of 100 or 10. So the first thing we've got to do is complete a table similar to this, okay? So to be able to make them into percentages, we need to think about changing this to 100. So I've written here, I'm going to times this by 10, okay? So if I'm timesing that by 10, that's also being times by 10, and then that can be 30% because I've changed that to 30 over 100. This one is already out of 100, easy peasy. This one's trickier. Okay, I know that there's 25s in 100. So if I'm timesing by 20 both sides, I've also got to times 3 by 20. Well, 10 lots of 3 is 30, so 20 lots of 3 is 60. 60 out of 100 is 60%. Now this one, I've got the percentage here and a missing number over here. Well, I know that there's 25 fours in 100, but that's quite tricky to work out. It's easier if we think, okay, 50% is the same as a half, which would also be 50 out of 100, wouldn't it? Okay, so what is the half of this number here? Well, it's 2. 2 quarters is the same as a half or 50 hundredths. Okay, so do really think about them because there's some that I've put in there that might be a bit tricky. Then you have a word problem similar to this. It says Joey has £80. He spends 1/4 on a jumper and 50% on some shoes. Now, I know that 80 divided by 4, which is a quarter, is the same as 25%. Okay, but 80 divided by 4 is going to give him £20. Okay, so he spent £20 on a jumper and 50% of this on some shoes. Okay, so 50%, so that's 80 divided by 2, because it's the same as a half, is £40. So he spent £40 and £20, which is £60, okay? Now, the next question is, how much does he have left as a percentage and as money? Well, I'm going to do this one first, actually. So he spent £40 plus £20, which is £60. So £80 minus 60 is £20. And as a percentage, well, 50% plus a quarter, which is 25%, is 75%. So he has 25% left.